Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Chris Gopalakrishnan, industry leaders, esteemed participants, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. The Global FinTech Fest GFF has emerged as a flagship event showcasing innovations, technological transformation, and the spirit of collaboration in the Indian FinTech sector. Started in 2020 with 12,000 participants, GFF 2024 has so far seen 80,000 participants. This demonstrates not only the growing stature of this event, but also the growing prominence of India in the technology-driven financial innovation. The presence of the Honorable Prime Minister in GFF 2024 inspires all of us to put in our best efforts to build a fintech ecosystem that is truly future-ready. In this endeavor, our priority should be to build an environment where financial services are seamlessly integrated into the lives of our 1.4 billion people. India now stands on the cusp of a transformation where technology will be the engine to meet aspirations of every citizen. From mobile banking to digital payments, AI-driven lending, blockchain innovations, the fintech ecosystem is constantly evolving to meet the diverse needs of our growing economy. Digital technologies have been instrumental in expanding financial inclusion, improving efficiency, and enabling real-time services across the country. Today, India stands as a global leader in digital payments, a feat achieved by combining proactive policymaking with innovation and technological advancements. Collaboration between policymakers, regulators, and innovators is a defining element of India's fintech journey. The success stories in our fintech space like Aadhaar, UPI, and the DigiLocker are results of such collaborative efforts. Initiatives like Account Aggregator Framework, Unified Lending Interface, that is ULI, Open Credit Enabled Network, that is OCEN, and several others are expected to redefine credit access, particularly for small businesses and individuals. The Reserve Bank's regulatory frameworks have facilitated new and innovative businesses to grow in an orderly manner. These regulatory initiatives reflect our commitment to support innovation with prudence. Our collaborative approach is visible in the fact that we have held large number of interactions over the last 1 year with the fintech sector players. For example, the various departments and officials of the Reserve Bank have held about 750 bilateral interactions and held about 50 structured meetings with the fintech players. As we march towards India at 100 in the year 2047, I urge every participant at this GFF and others who could not attend, and hopefully, and I'm sure, they will attend the future editions of GFF event. I would urge each one of you to continue dreaming, innovating, and pushing boundaries. Thank you. Namaskar.
धन्यवाद. थैंक यू गवर्नर सर. अब हम हमारे सम्माननीय भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री डिजिटल इंडिया के शिल्पकार श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से विनम्र अनुरोध करते हैं कि वे ये सभा को संबोधित करें. वी रिक्वेस्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया ऑनर टू एड्रेस दिस ऑगस्ट गैदरिंग.